You guys can apply for a loan. What are the best options? How to get approved? So you have your Upstart, your One Main Financial. One Main Financial, depending on where you live, there should be a location where you guys can just go in and apply in person. Avance is another one. So Avance, the minimum score is a 580. But even if you have a low credit score and have, collections or repos and stuff, you can still get denied. So it's because it says 580 don't mean, you should go apply with bad credit. When it comes to loans, I recommend you apply, with at least a 680 credit score, preferably around a 7 to 800 credit score. And most of these lenders, they're going to give you, a lot more, over 10K. So Upstart, that should give you up to 50K. One Main is 20K. Avance is up to 35. And, One Main, there is no credit score requirement. Most of these loans, they just care about the income. If you guys make a lot of money, say over 10K, they will give you, the loan for sure, especially if you're making, way over 6 figures. But Upstart is a little faster. So I'm gonna tell you guys this, personal loans and credit cards, you will get more money out of credit cards than personal loans. Credit cards, if you spend something, it will just add it on back to your credit card if you pay it back. But the credit cards usually have higher interest rates. But it's good to use, credit cards more than personal loans. Personal loans, you're going to have to pay it back within, a few years or even longer, depending on the loan term. So personal loans, you can get up to 100K. That's the most you can get approved for. And you won't need no down payment or nothing. You could get a co-signer if you can't get approved. Just find someone in your family that has a good credit score if you really need the funds. But it's always good to do, credit cards over personal loans. When it comes to credit cards, you can apply for, literally 10 cars and get approved for, 10K. But personal loans is a little riskier since it's like an unsecured loan. Most of the time, if you're asking for a loan, there's a chance you won't be paying it back, especially if you have bad credit score and you fix your score and you just boost your score. 9 times out of 10, possibly you won't pay it back. So I'm going to show you guys how, to get approved for the loans. So to boost your credit score from a 500 or even 400 score, you're going to have to add tradelines. These will boost your score, lower your credit utilization. If you have not sell your cars, this is the best thing to do. So this company offer, the lowest is 5 primary tradelines. This is a bulk, deal. They do have cheaper ones, but it's best to get multiple lines added to your credit. And these should report within 7 business days. Another site is Nation Credit Lines. These guys will report within 24 hours to all 3 bureaus, and they also offer CPNs as well. And you guys can also get a personal loan through Trial Network. There's no credit check, CPN friendly. You will have to pay upfront fee for you to get approved, but it's basically a co-sign fee. The company will co-sign you to get approved for the Upstart loan. So that's actually pretty good. But you can get as many as you want per, profile. So you have a CPN. You can use that free CPN and get under your social. So it don't matter if you have bad credit, you'll still get approved as long as you pay for the fee. So that'll be it, guys. Thanks for watching.